In November, we went on a long-awaited trip to visit Zion National Park. We drove 6 hours from California to Utah and spent 3 very cold and icy nights at Hi-Road Campground, which was about 5 minutes away from the park's entrance. We had quite the adventure as our tent and water froze every night due to the cold weather. We still had the best time exploring Zion, staying warm by the fire, and cooking delicious food. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it inspires you to get out and explore because there is so much to see out there. So we just got to the campground. The road that we were driving on was pretty lonely and we kept seeing warnings for deer, and I kept telling Mario I was really freaked out and I was really scared that we were gonna bump into a deer, and I just had this like worst case scenario in my head of like what would happen if a deer got in front of us and we crashed into it and, you know, being stranded with no signal. And the whole way Mario's like, it's okay, relax, it probably won't happen. And I was just nervous. And right before we got here, 3 deer got right in front of us, and I saw them from like a little bit farther away. He stopped, but that was so scary, and I'm like shaking now and I'm so nervous. I get so nervous to drive in places where they keep telling you to watch out for animals because it could be a pretty bad accident. So and the deer don't even like move, like they just like stay there. So it's so scary, but we made it. We're supposed to do a late check-in, but we can't figure out how to do that. There's nobody in the office anymore because it's 9. We got here pretty late because I left right after work. I had parent-teacher conferences today, so we couldn't leave early. Mario's trying to figure out how to get checked in right now, so yeah. But we made it here safely. Good morning. It is Saturday morning and it is 33 degrees. There's ice inside of our tent. The entire top of our tent is a whole layer of ice inside. It was around 28 degrees last night and we were pretty cold, but it wasn't horrible. But then this morning when we woke up, there was ice everywhere. So last night when we got here, we were supposed to do a late check-in, and we had called and they said they would leave all the paperwork for us to fill out, but I think they forgot and they didn't leave anything for us, so we just had to find an empty spot to stay in, and it was a little bit scary because we didn't want to get in someone's space. But the campground isn't very full right now, so we were able to stay somewhere, and we just woke up early this morning to hopefully be able to talk to someone and see if we can get our actual spot. But it was freezing last night, but we were pretty comfortable. I think that we got pretty well prepared, which was good. After we talk to someone this morning and drink some coffee, we're gonna go and explore Zion, but you could tell how cold it is. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Our water froze.
Look.
Oh my gosh. And that was inside or outside?
It was in the back of the truck.
And we should leave that stuff out inside.
Huh? Yeah. Let me see if it even comes out. Damn.
It does, but it's gonna be freezing water.
There we go. It was frozen to get it out too.
Going to Chicago. Big brown eyes staring out the window, looking out on this big blue sky. Looking out on this big blue sky. Well, I'm on that plane. Did you see up there? Well, I got you a ticket and all that goes with it. So come on, let's fly. Oh, I'd love to see the world with you. 'Cause I've turned towards the east.
There's a lot of deer here to hike back to the bus.
And I've come back west, but it just ain't the same. In sunshine or rain, I love to see the world with you. Oh, I'd love to see the world with you. As you move in the hollows of my mind, only the stars know where we'll go. Why don't you come with me this time? I've been walking these streets, in cities and in towns. But the truth be told, it's a lonely road. I'd love to see the world with you. Oh, I'd love to see the world with you. Well, let it be known I've survived on my own. The only thing carrying me the wind. That wherever I roam with my mate, should
Yeah, there's two there.
I thought it was cows.
you.
This whole time we've been here, I thought these were cows. Horses look like big dogs.
Guess what?
Well, I'm leaving today, going to Chicago, and I hope you'll say you're big brown. I'd love to see the world. I'd love to see the world. I'd love to see the world with you too. Oh, I'd love to see the world with you too. Yes, I'd love to see the world. I'd love to see the world. I'd love to see the world with you too. Oh, I'd love to see the world with you.
Did you miss me? You see him? Look at him on my phone.
Oh.
It's right there.
That's the same one?
No, it's a different one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why is it coming over here? I think they're cute, but I don't want them close to me. Why are you coming over here? Don't come over here. I think they're cute. Look, allá está. Look, it looks so creepy. He's over there. You see, you know, you see his eyes. Look, both of them are over there. There's more than three then. Because two of them ran over here, and now there's two over there.
Yeah, go guess.
Oh, there's a bunch. There's some by the stop sign. There's 2 or 3 over there. There's 5 over there, Mario. Another frozen one. It's frozen.
That was inside the car.
I know. And I told you to put the stuff inside the car so it wouldn't freeze.
Bad idea. Yeah, it was full. It was ice. It was all full of ice.
Everything's freezing. That makes me feel like we're brave to be here.
Back in Zion.
Oh, see? To help us protect the place. There's a restroom. Look at that. Look at that. One more mile up and then 2 down. I guess the 2 down.
Yeah, I was gonna say the 2 down.
Gonna fill up our waters?
What's it called?
Yeah, I'll do both, but
Well, beer to go.
it does. I told you.
Oh no, it says beer go.
We're back. Ow, I hurt my foot. It's still a little warm, which is nice.
Supposedly warmer than yesterday.
I know, hopefully it is.
Smells humid in there.
Okay. Yeah.
Because that one I might need it.
Okay. Done.
Just leave it out. It might get a little warm, but it's gonna get cold in a little. It's the
Pretty sure
sun,
it's
no?
direct sunlight, yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Well, I'm on a train
What's the number?
going to Chicago.
It's stronger on this side.
Your big brown eyes staring out the window, looking out on this big blue sky, looking out on this big
Did your breathing stay a
sky.
little warm?
Well, I'm on that plane that you see up there.
There's
Well,
a
I got
face.
you what you get, and all that goes with it. So come on, let's fly. Oh, I'd love to see the world with you. 'Cause I've turned towards the east, and I've come back west. But it just ain't the same in sunshine or rain. I'd love to see the world with you. Oh, I'd love to see the world with you.
That's when our big light comes in handy. Rather than there than in the
On
middle
a
of the
highway road, all is sacred, you know. As you move in the hollows of my mind, only the stars know where we'll go. Why don't you come with me this time? I've been walking these streets, in cities and in towns, but the truth be told, it's a lonely road. I'd love to see the world with you. Oh, I'd love to see the world with you. Well, let it be known I've survived